Sweet and sour pickled scallions. A main dish from Japan. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Clean and wash the scallions, save the white part only. Step 2. In a large crock, alternate scallions and salt. Step 3. Mix together ½ cup vinegar and 1 cup water. Pour over scallions. Step 4. Cover with a plate or board and top with a 10-pound weight. Step 5. Within a few days the scallions will become limp. At this time a lighter weight may be used. Step 6. After 2 weeks the scallions will lose their bitter flavor. Drain them and dry on a cloth in a cool area for about 8 hours. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.